Best trading signal here using the Smart Trade version 2 indicator, which will gonna be the profitable solution when trading with Olymp Trade platform. This indicator is available for both MetaTrader 4 and 5. It's an easy tool that will give you an up and down alert signals. We got an alert here, CAD JPY a buy alert notification signal. As we can see with our market chart, there is a reversal status on this trend here, and the best time to trade going higher. Take reminder, best to trade when there's a reversing point, in order to get higher success rate. We got trading alerts. But we will finish this trade after trading with other signals. We traded with 5 seconds time frame, and we achieve a win on our previous trade. We got buy alert confirmation on AUD JPY pair. Let's check its actual chart first before executing the trade. A good and solid confirmation here, and the best spot to trade going higher for 1 minute. This strategy is proven and tested, with a win rate of 80% to 90%. We will leave our chart here, as we know that we will be profitable with this trade. Euro JPY got sell alert. And as we can see on our chart, we got good trading position, and the best reversal status to trade lower for 1 minute. The trend goes down, hoping for a winning trade on this. Got our winning trade on that. See the rest of the video and don't forget to follow us to get the latest trading strategies with Olymp Trade and other trading brokers. A sell alert confirmation for our GBP JPY. As we can see here, there's a high chance that the trend will go down for the next 1 minute. Let's trade for it going down. It looks like we have a 50-50 situation here. And got losing trade on that.